In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Shopify. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin. Everything we are doing happens inside your store dashboard, and the goal is to set your ebook up like a normal product while making sure Shopify treats it as a digital item instead of something that needs shipping. First, go to the Products section in the left-hand menu, then select Add Product. This opens the product editor, where you will enter the information customers will see on your store. Now add your ebook details. Enter a clear product title that matches the ebook name. Then write a helpful description that explains what the reader will get, who it is for, and what problems it helps solve. Keep it easy to scan by using short paragraphs, because most customers skim before they buy. Next, upload your cover art. A clean, high-quality cover image improves trust and makes your product look professional. If you have multiple images, you can add them later, but make sure you include at least one strong cover image here. After that, scroll to the shipping section and disable shipping. You will do this by unchecking the option that says this is a physical product. This is important because an ebook is digital. When shipping is disabled, Shopify will not try to calculate shipping rates, and it will not ask the customer for a shipping address as long as the cart only contains digital items. This makes checkout faster and avoids confusion. Next, set your pricing and inventory. Enter your price in the pricing area, then review inventory settings. If you want to limit sales, keep track quantity turned on and set a large number. If you want unlimited sales, which is common for ebooks, you can uncheck track quantity so it never sells out. This helps prevent missed sales due to inventory limits. Finally, click Save. That locks in your product settings and makes sure your ebook product is created correctly in Shopify. Once you have saved, take a moment to review the product page for clarity, especially the title, description, and cover image. Clear information reduces refunds and customer support messages. And that is all there is to it.